Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, of course, in the eye of the storm. The entire drug scandal has blown up. Imtiaz Khatri, who is a producer and also a builder, has also been questioned by the NCB. So far, 20 people have been arrested, including Aryan Khan. Here is the lay of the land. Will Aryan Khan get bail or will he remain in jail? That's the big question. Take a look. A picture emerges of Aryan Khan, Shah Rukh Khan and Imtiaz Khatri. This is Imtiaz Khatri being probed on his links to Aryan Khan. He's a Bollywood producer and a builder. Imtiaz Khatri is now the center of the storm. He was summoned by the NCB in the cruise drug bust case twice, yesterday and today. Questioned for over 7 hours on Monday, he claims to have no knowledge of Aryan Khan consuming drugs. The interrogation by the NCB is going on full swing. Aryan Khan still remains in Arthur Road jail. His bail plea has been listed for 2:45 p.m. on Wednesday. 20 people so far have been arrested by the NCB in connection with the case, including Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, Arbaz Seth merchant, Munmun Dhamecha and several others. Charges against Aryan Khan booked under the following sections of NDPS Act. Section 27 of NDPS Act, consumption of narcotics. Section 8C of the NDPS Act, procuring consumption of drugs. In his written statement, Aryan Khan has denied the purchase of drugs. The big question remains, will superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan get bail or will he continue to stay in Arthur Road jail? The jury is still out on that one. Bureau Report, India Today. And the suspense, of course, continues whether Aryan Khan will remain in jail or whether he will end up getting bail. The big questions we're asking right now, will tonight be Aryan Khan's last night in jail? Will Shah Rukh Khan's son get bail tomorrow? Or is Aryan Khan just a victim of his celebrity status? Divyesh is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Divyesh, tomorrow a Mumbai court is going to be hearing this particular plea at 2:45 p.m. What are we expecting from court today? Because it's going to be a deciding one as far as Aryan Khan is concerned. Will he be in jail or will he end up getting bail? Everyone wants to know that.
Chaiti, by tomorrow 11 a.m., the Narcotics Control Bureau has to file their response in this particular case. They have to file their reply on Aryan Khan's bail plea that he has filed in, at the NDPS court in Mumbai. So, Narcotics Control Bureau will be filing their response on why bail shouldn't be granted to Aryan Khan as they had opposed in the Metropolitan Magistrate Court. Remember, the Narcotics Control Bureau had pointed out that the accused involved are influential people and they could tamper with the witnesses, they could tamper with the evidence, they could influence witnesses, and there are various other links that need to be probed in this case. Remember, the section 29, which amounts to conspiracy, has been applied against all the accused in this particular drug bust case, which was applied later in this case when Narcotics Control Bureau came to know that this whole drug bust, this particular case, and there are several other people involved, and that is why the section 29 of NDPS Act was invoked. And this is the section that led to the bail being rejected by the Metropolitan Magistrate Court, and Aryan Khan had to file plea at the NDPS court. And now NDPS court will hear the response from Narcotics Control Bureau, after which defense will be arguing their case at 2:45 p.m. tomorrow. Once both the sides of argument is heard by the...
Right. Aryan's bail plea will come up tomorrow. The big question here is that whether he will end up getting bail or not. Aryan's lawyers have maintained that he should be getting bail as no drugs were recovered from him and that he cannot tamper with the WhatsApp chats, which are already with the Narcotics Control Bureau. Let's take a look at the 10-point defense that the lawyers have ended up making as far as Aryan Khan is concerned. Take a look.
Khan faces an extended stint in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail. And the superstar's son has maintained that no drugs were found on him. The big question now is, will Aryan get the bail? Here is Shah Rukh's son's 10 points defense. Defense 1. Aryan Khan in his bail plea has stated that he's completely innocent and has not committed any crime. Aryan claims that he's been falsely implicated in the case. Defense 2. The bail plea states that there has been no recovery of drugs from Aryan. The plea also claims that the NCB does not have any incriminating evidence against him, accusing the Drug Probe Agency of applying stringent provisions of NDPS Act without any proof. Defense 3. Aryan Khan in his bail plea has denied being involved in production, manufacture, sale and transport of any drug. He has even on record denied charges of illicit trafficking and protecting drug offenders. Defense 4. The Narcotics Bureau had told court that it had access to incriminating WhatsApp chats that pointed to an international drug syndicate. Aryan claimed the chats had nothing to do with drugs but were in fact about football. Defense 5. Seeking bail, Aryan argues that no narcotic drugs were seized from him and the allegations pertains strictly to small quantities. Hence the bar under Section 37 of NDPS Act making the offence serious and non-bailable does not apply. Remember, contraventions involving small quantities are punishable with rigorous imprisonment of a term which may extend to 1 year or a fine which may extend to ₹10,000 or with both. Defense 6. The superstar's son has claimed that the charges would still fall within ambit of consumption of drugs, which attracts a maximum jail term of up to 1 year or with fine or both. Defense 7. Aryan's bail plea claims that recoveries from other accused cannot be held against him and the entire recovery in the case cannot be used against him. Defense 8. Aryan in his bail plea contends that he has no criminal past and was never involved in consumption or use of drugs. Defense 9. During the hearing in court, Aryan had said he had strong roots in the society and is permanent resident of Mumbai. His bail plea claims that there is nothing on record to suggest that he would abuse his liberty. Defense 10. Last but not the least, Aryan in his bail plea argues that not only is he the son of prominent Bollywood actor, but he also holds a bachelor's degree in cinematic arts from the University of Southern California. Aryan says he's a responsible citizen and has impeccable reputation and record. On Wednesday, the Mumbai Sessions Court will hear Aryan Khan's bail plea at 2:45 p.m. Will the superstar's son finally walk out of the jail? With Vidya in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Shah Rukh Khan has not given out any official statement as yet on Aryan Khan's arrest. Neither has he made any public appearance since the arrest of his son Aryan Khan. India Today ended up speaking to a very close friend of Shah Rukh Khan. Sources have revealed that he's spending sleepless nights. He's working very hard to figure out how to get Aryan Khan out of jail. And once he's out of jail, the plan is, that is what sources are revealing, that he might end up sending Aryan Khan either to UK or to the US. Here's more coming in on this story.
Worried, dejected, helpless. Shah Rukh Khan is going through the worst period of his life. The Badshah of Bollywood has not publicly spoken a word. Neither has he made any public appearance since Aryan's arrest. A very close friend of the family told India Today that Gauri and Shah Rukh Khan had gone into a shell since the day Aryan was arrested. SRK and Gauri had not expected that their son will be shut up in a prison. The power couple have been in constant touch with officials on their son's health. Even though they have no direct access to Aryan, information on his well-being is conveyed to the family. On the professional front, Shah Rukh Khan has put all his work on hold. India Today was the first to report that SRK has postponed the Spain-scheduled shoot of his film with Deepika Padukone. The sources said SRK is not likely to issue any official comment or statement on Aryan till the dust settles and his son is back home. The family may even contemplate on sending Aryan abroad, possibly to the US or Britain. SRK's family friend says the actor feels let down by the legal system in his son's case. The one consolation has been the support the family has received from the film fraternity in these trying times. Bureau Report, India Today.